Sweet ride, right? This is a 1957 Cadillac Eldorado. We are inside the Martin Auto Museum in Glendale. There is so much eye candy here, and this is a great way to save money and have some affordable fun with the entire family. My new friend Joe here. Sweet Woody, this is awesome.
Check them out.
And this is one of 180 vehicles that are featured right here inside this massive
That
space.
is correct. You got to come out and see it. There's a lot of cool cars, a lot of cool stories. You don't want to miss out.
Well, speaking of stories, I want you to see this doozy right here.
Yes.
This one has a gangster past.
Well, yeah. We don't want to get into it right now, but you got to come out and get the story. But this is a doozy. For sure.
One of the things that you do have here is a lot of history, right?
Tons of history.
On your website,
yes.
as we keep walking, I want to show you around here. On your website, you have a PDF. It's like, what, 600 pages?
600 pages, PDF, all the backstories.
All the backstories to every single one of these vehicles,
yes.
including this one with the royal past and one that spans back more than 100 years?
100 years. The Queen of Netherlands. This was her coach. She rode in this vehicle.
Okay.
Yes.
I think it's worth mentioning to you because people might be thinking, why is she opening the doors? In some of these vehicles, you're not just going to open the doors, you guys. You can get into these vehicles and really experience what it might have been like to be the Queen of Netherlands.
The touch and smells. We want it to be an experience for you. We have that available for you here, a car experience, very unique across the country.
I know I'm rushing you because there's so much to see.
Go.
So they have made this very family friendly. It's not just for the carrot with the carousel, but they also have a game room. They do lots of special events, including weddings and birthday parties. Do you serve popcorn out of the historical food truck here?
Unfortunately, we don't.
Oh.
But you can get a feel for it, what it was like almost 100 years ago to be vending out of one of the first food trucks. This is it, a peanut and popcorn truck, 1929, one rare vehicle that we have. You've got to come here, experience it, and see it. How about some popcorn?
Get your peanuts, get your popcorn right here at the Martin Auto Museum. I'm putting more information up at abc15.com.